Good time management enables an individual to complete more in a shorter period of time, lowers stress, and leads to career success. Time management. Benefits of time management. The ability to manage your time effectively is important. Good time management leads to improved efficiency and productivity, less stress, and more success in life. Here are some benefits of managing time effectively. 1. Stress relief. Making and following a task schedule reduces anxiety. As you check off items on your to-do list, you can see that you are making tangible progress. This helps you avoid feeling stressed out with worry about whether you're getting things done. 2. More time. Good time management gives you extra time to spend in your daily life. People who can time manage effectively enjoy having more time to spend on hobbies or other personal pursuits. 3. More opportunities. Managing time well leads to more opportunities and less time wasted on trivial activities. Good time management skills are key qualities that employers look for. The ability to prioritize and schedule work is extremely desirable for any organization. 4. Ability to realize goals. Individuals who practice good time management are able to better achieve goals and objectives, and do so in a shorter length of time. List of tips for effective time management. After considering the benefits of time management, let's look at some ways to manage time effectively. Time management tips infographic. 1. Set goals correctly. Set goals that are achievable and measurable. Use the SMART method when setting goals. In essence, make sure the goals you set are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. 2. Prioritize wisely. Prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. For example, look at your daily tasks and determine which are important and urgent. Do these tasks right away. Important but not urgent, decide when to do these tasks. Urgent but not important, delegate these tasks if possible. Not urgent and not important, set these aside to do later. 3. Set a time limit to complete a task. Setting time constraints for completing tasks helps you be more focused and efficient. Making a small extra effort to decide on how much time you need to allot for each task can also help you recognize potential problems before they arise.